Right, my first port of call is Art Van Gogh, where Ruth Issett is demonstrating her paint sticks. And the reason for coming here is I've just come back from the States and noticed that so many of the quilts these days are painted. Ruth, tell me what you're doing, please.
Okay, what we've got here is a quilt base which was actually stitched white on white, so we've got stitching here. And what I've been doing is actually using these Markel paint sticks, which you can work onto any fibre.
Right.
And all you've got to do is heat fix them, and then they're permanent.
And any fibre, you can use it on polyesters?
Polyesters, cottons, whatever. Now the fun about this piece is actually this is all 100% cotton on the top, but it's polyester wadding and poly cotton on the backing.
Right.
I'm actually using the Markel on top as a resist to give extra colour, but then I'm putting Procyon dye on and dyeing it as well.
Oh, amazing.
So,
this is going to look absolutely fantastic.
So
and then you'll stitch more on top or
and
not?
you can stitch more on top, and when you begin to think about it, of course, you could stitch with other fibres and they will dye differently as well.
So you're going to get a very, very different effect of all the layers, the different colours, the different mediums. Fine. Show me quickly how the
what you can do, well, you can use different Markel paint sticks. These are what we call the professional colours, the pure bright colours, which if I just show you this yellow, put onto this pink here, you'll see immediately how it's changing it. But also where the pink stitching is revealed. On the other side of it here, this area here, I've actually dyed it, and then when it was dried, I used an iridescent colour, like a gold and a turquoise, and you get this lovely rich effect.
And you just literally rub it in?
You literally just stroke it over the surface, so I can stroke it over. Typically that's one which is dry. But we can go and we can take it across, stroke it on, and it will change the colour of the surface.
And you can build up as many layers as you like.
Absolutely, yes.
And just keep on going.
Keep building. And then obviously there comes a point where if you have too many, it's going to get very stiff.
Yes.
So you need to be sensitive about it. But the beauty is that you can put colour onto colour, or you can put an iridescent colour onto a dark fabric. So the other side of it is if you actually quilted it all in black, you could go in afterwards and put lovely iridescence in.
Well, you've certainly given me lots of food for thought, and I can come and get it from you at Art Van Gogh.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, I'm going to rush off and do other things. Thanks a lot, Ruth.
Pleasure.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.